For more than 100 years, cars depended on controlled explosions, burning of a fuel. Heat is everywhere. But today, millions of cars travel the world without a single explosion. No gasoline, no spark plugs, no exhaust pipes, just electricity. But that raises an important question. What exactly is inside an electric vehicle? Where is the engine? Where is the transmission? What actually makes the wheels move? And why do engineers say electric cars are mechanically much simpler than gasoline cars? Today, we're opening the entire vehicle. Every component, every wire, every sensor, every system.
By the end, you'll understand an electric vehicle better than most drivers. Although electric vehicles look similar on the outside, inside, they are completely different machines. Almost every EV contains these major systems: battery pack, battery management system, BMS, high voltage cables, power distribution unit, DC-DC converter, onboard charger, charging port, inverter, electric motor, reduction gearbox, differential, cooling system, regenerative braking system, suspension, steering, brakes, wheels, vehicle control unit, sensors, software, 12-volt battery. These systems work together like organs inside the human body. If one fails, the whole vehicle is affected. Everything begins here, the battery. It's actually thousands of tiny rechargeable cells. The cells are grouped into modules. The modules are assembled into one enormous battery pack. The battery pack also contains cooling channels, temperature sensors, voltage sensors, current sensors, safety fuses, fire protection, crash protection. The battery is usually mounted beneath the floor. Why? Because it lowers the center of gravity, making the car far more stable. The battery has a brain. It's called the battery management system.
The BMS constantly watches every battery cell. It measures voltage, temperature, current, charge level, battery health. If one cell becomes too hot, the BMS reacts instantly. If one cell charges faster than others, the BMS balances them. Without this tiny computer, the battery could become damaged, or even dangerous. The BMS is one of the smartest computers inside an EV. Electric vehicles don't visit gas stations. They recharge. Electricity enters through the charging port. But here's something many people don't know. The battery stores DC electricity. Homes usually provide AC electricity, so something must convert it. That's the job of the onboard charger, AC to DC. During DC fast charging, the charger outside the vehicle performs this conversion. That's why fast chargers are much faster. The charging system also communicates with the charging station. They constantly exchange information: battery temperature, voltage, maximum charging speed, safety checks. Only after everything is confirmed does charging begin. These orange cables are the highways of electricity. They carry hundreds of volts. Their bright orange color warns technicians: danger, high voltage. Electricity flows from battery to power distribution unit to inverter to motor. Everything is carefully protected by relays, contactors,
fuses, emergency disconnects. The battery produces direct current, DC, but most electric motors need alternating current, AC. The inverter performs this conversion thousands of times every second. It also controls motor speed, motor direction, acceleration, torque. Think of it as the conductor of an orchestra. Every signal must be perfectly timed. Now we arrive at the heart of motion, the electric motor. Everything depends on magnetism. Electricity flows into coils. The coils become electromagnets. They attract
and repel permanent magnets or energized rotor fields. This creates rotation. The faster electricity changes, the faster the motor spins. Some EV motors reach 20,000 RPM, even more. Electric motors produce maximum torque instantly. That's why EVs accelerate so quickly. Most electric cars don't need multi-speed transmissions. The motor already works across a huge speed range. Instead, they use a simple reduction gearbox. It reduces motor speed while multiplying torque. Then the differential allows left and right wheels to rotate at different speeds during turns. Regenerative braking, the smartest feature of an EV. Normally, brakes waste energy as heat. Electric vehicles recycle much of it. When slowing down, the wheels spin the motor. The motor becomes a generator. Electricity flows back into the battery. This process is called regenerative braking. Instead of wasting energy, the vehicle recovers it. That's why EV brake pads often last much longer.
Heat is the enemy of batteries. Too hot, performance drops. Too cold, charging slows. That's why EVs have sophisticated cooling systems. Liquid coolant flows through battery, motor, inverter, power electronics. Some EVs even warm the battery before fast charging. Keeping every component at the ideal temperature improves performance, charging speed, battery lifespan, safety. Even electric cars still have a traditional 12-volt battery. It powers lights, screens, door locks, windows, airbags, computers. Before the high-voltage battery activates, the 12-volt system wakes the entire vehicle. Without it, the car may not even start. Every component we've discussed reports to one central computer, the vehicle control unit. It coordinates acceleration, braking, battery, motor, charging, cooling, safety, traction control, stability control, energy efficiency. Hundreds of sensors send information every second. The VCU processes all of it in milliseconds. Modern EVs are truly computers on wheels. Beyond the electrical systems, an EV still needs the same mechanical foundations as any car. Chassis, the structural frame, suspension, springs, dampers, control arms, steering system, often electric power steering. Hydraulic disc brakes with ABS, tires and wheels, airbags, seatbelts, crumple zones, electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS. Because the heavy battery is mounted low in the chassis, many EVs have excellent balance and handling. The battery pack is also enclosed in a reinforced protective structure designed to help withstand impacts. Modern EVs are connected machines. They often include GPS navigation, cellular and Wi-Fi connectivity, smartphone app control, remote climate control, battery status monitoring, route planning with charging stops, over-the-air OTA software updates, driver assistance systems, cameras, radar, ultrasonic sensors, and sometimes LiDAR. Unlike traditional cars, many EVs gain new features through software updates, improving efficiency, adding functions, or refining driving behavior without a visit to a service center. A glowing arrow traces the complete path. Charging, power grid, charging port, onboard charger or DC fast charger, battery pack, driving, battery pack, battery management system, monitoring, power distribution unit, inverter, DC to AC, electric motor, reduction gearbox, differential, braking, wheels, motor, generator mode, inverter, battery pack. An electric vehicle isn't just a car with a battery.
It's a carefully engineered system where electronics, software, physics, and mechanical engineering work together in perfect harmony. From thousands of lithium-ion cells to powerful electric motors, from intelligent computers to regenerative braking, every component has a precise purpose. Understanding what's inside an EV helps us appreciate one of the most significant engineering transformations in the history of transportation. And this is only the beginning.
If you enjoyed exploring the anatomy of an electric vehicle, subscribe for more videos where we uncover the engineering and physics behind the technology shaping our future.